Guess whose dishwasher is still broke? So if you're new here, I'm Katie. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 5 kiddos. We homeschool and I cook literally almost every single meal that we have. So we have a lot of dishes and I'm very hard on my dishwasher. Like my dishwasher's running all the time. And it finally gave out on me, which I can't blame it because I ran it to death. That's just the truth. So now I have plenty of content on kitchen resets. So let's wash some dishes. I had to put my hair up because I can't do anything with my hair now. So the hair had to go up. Got a good bit of that done, so now we're going to move on to some laundry. Put a pause on housework because we have to get ready because my daughter has dance today. So if you have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching and I will see y'all in the next one.